Find the equilibrium point for the demand and supply functions d of p equals 79 minus 8p and s of p equals 37 plus 6p, where p is the price in dollars, d of p is the number of units demanded, and s of p is the number of units supplied. So we have our two functions for demand and supply. The equilibrium point is the point at which d of p is equal to s of p. So we simply substitute the formulas 79 minus 8p for d of p and 37 plus 6p for s of p. And we now solve this equation for p. Let's add 8p to both sides. 79 is equal to 37 plus 14p. And subtract 37 from both sides. So 42 is equal to 14p. Then divide both sides by 14, and you find that p, which remember represents the price, would be $3. Now we have to find the actual amount that's both supplied and demanded. It is the same because this is the equilibrium point, so you can use either formula. Let's take the supply formula. S of 3 will equal 37 plus 6 times 3. That's 37 plus 18, which is 55. That's 55 units that would be supplied. So the solution is the point represented by $3, 55 units.